A few years later, that fortune teller ended up getting arrested for fraud.
Do you mean the Galactic Matron?
That's the one.
If memory serves, she didn't believe in the afterlife.
She didn't. And that's why I don't believe in it either.
Personally, I believe we have a soul.
Huh?
See, that's the reason I wanted to fulfill my dead friend's wish. It's what he would have wanted.
What wish?
To recap.